How to find transit number in Royal Bank of Canada. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can find transit number in Royal Bank of Canada. For this, you can head over to any web browser and sign into your account, or you can also download the Royal Bank of Canada app and log into your account. Once you have been logged into your account, this is going to be the home screen. Before we begin, let's understand what is the transit number. Transit number is also called branch number. It is usually a 5-digit number that identifies the specific branch about where your account was created. Now, in order to locate the transit number, all you want to do is tap on the account option in the bottom left corner of your screen. You will now see the option for account information. So beside each account, you will be able to find a 5-digit transit number before the hyphen and then the 7-digit number after the hyphen, and that number is your transit number. If you do not find it over here, then you can simply contact the customer support or visit the branch itself to get information about your transit number. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.